In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 2 contact numbers to your Gmail ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to keep your account more secure or simply want to have more than one number available for recovery purposes, following these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, open your Gmail account and head over to the top right of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. Here, you need to select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Once you're there, you'll be looking for the Personal Info section. This section houses all your personal details like name, email, phone numbers, and recovery options. Click on Personal Info to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Personal Info section, you'll want to find the Phone section and click on it. This is where you manage both existing numbers and add new ones to your account. Once inside the Phone section, you will see an option that says Add Now. Click on this to begin the process of adding a new contact number. At this point, you'll likely be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your account. Then you'll be able to type in the phone number you want to add. Make sure to enter the full number, including the area code, to avoid any errors during verification. After you have entered the number, click on the Next button to proceed further. You will then be prompted to confirm the number to ensure it has been entered correctly. In the final steps of this process, you will have to verify the phone number you've just entered. Click on Get Code to have a verification code sent to the number. Once you receive the code, enter it in the space provided on the screen and confirm it. Now, if you're looking to add an additional phone number, you can easily repeat the same steps. Just click on Add Now once more and follow through the process as you did for the first number. This allows you to have multiple contact numbers associated with your Gmail account, which can be especially helpful for security or account recovery purposes. And there you have it, you've successfully added 2 contact numbers to your Gmail ID, providing you with more options and increased security for your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you.